If we're getting your curls super defined, girl, you need to get you some bentonite clay. The link will be down below. So yes, you can get that right on Amazon. And go ahead, spend your money. It's only like 10 bucks, I think. So yeah, do your hair a favor, sis. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Essence of Elisa. So today I'm bringing you guys another video. Yesterday I did a bentonite clay treatment on my hair, and this is how my hair turned out after it. So if you guys want to watch the video and see how I did that, then stay tuned and let's get into it. So first off, I want to show you what my hair is looking like, guys. It is looking a crazy mess right now. So let's cool this down. So today I just took a shower. I shampooed my hair and I conditioned it, but before I shampooed it, I just went in with some almond oil just as a pre-poo treatment, and then I went over it. After I applied the almond oil to my hair, I just went in with some shampoo, and yeah. So, oh my god, see? So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. Yes, I know, it's crazy. It's so crazy. And I have so much of it. But as you can see, like, oh my god, I look so crazy right now. So, like, you guys can literally see that my hair is just like, there's some defined curls, but just not all of them. And as you can see, like, some of the ends right here, they're actually just straight. Now maybe it was because I went to the gym a little bit too, so my hair was just like pulled back a little bit, but still, like, my curls are not as defined as they should be. So what I'm going to do is do a bentonite clay treatment on my hair, and I want to watch my curls transform. So I've only done the treatment once before, and it made my curls turn like really bomb after. So I'm gonna do it again. This is the second time around, and I'm excited to show you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. So what you're gonna need is some bentonite clay, and I'll link all the places where I got these down below. A bowl, a spoon for stirring, some olive oil, and some apple cider vinegar. And you want to make sure you get the raw, unfiltered, and organic for your hair. So yeah, those are the ingredients that we're going to be using today to mix up. So yeah, let's get it. So I just had to go back and re-wet my hair. When you're using this treatment, you definitely want to make sure that your hair is at least a little bit damp. You don't want to apply this treatment to your hair when it is completely dry, because it is already so extremely hard to work with and put into your hair just because of the drying texture that it is. So yeah. For anyone that has ever used bentonite clay, like, you know what I'm talking about. This stuff is so crazy, like, especially when you put it on your skin. And when it dries on your face, like, you literally cannot feel your face at all. It is literally like rock solid. So when you're applying it to your hair, you just want to make sure that your hair is a little bit damp. So right now, as you guys can see, that I'm mixing it up, and I want to make sure that you guys add water to this, because the consistency wouldn't be the same if you didn't add water to it. It'd be like thick and clumpy. So right now I'm just mixing it up, and that's how you want the consistency to be. So now I'm just putting it onto my palms and gliding it onto my hair. So with my hair being a little bit wet, it just makes it so much easier to apply. Now you just keep on doing this until your hair is completely saturated in the bentonite clay. So for those of you who don't know, bentonite clay is an ancient Aztec healing clay. It is derived from volcanic ash. So for many centuries and throughout history, doctors had used this to prescribe for like bug bites and digestive issues and to cure dryness. So it's been used throughout history for multiple purposes, and it has so many healing properties, which is just great for your body all around. Over time, women started to create their own clay masks for their hair and use it as a natural way to add moisture and remove dirt and oil from their hair. So now fast forward time to the 21st century, and here we are in the curly hair world, and literally bentonite clay is working so many wonders for curly hair girls. It helps with dry hair, it helps with frizziness, it helps with heat damage, dandruff, hair loss, anything that you can really name. It just works wonders in curly hair, and not even just curly hair but all types of hair as well. It basically just brings things back to life, especially your curls. So I added apple cider vinegar to this treatment as well because that acts as a clarifying agent for your hair. And then I also added extra virgin olive oil to this because it just brings back the moisture. And you definitely want to bring back the moisture to your hair when using this treatment because it can leave your hair feeling a little bit dehydrated, but that's when you want to add like a little bit of oil to this. And then that's when you also want to go in after you're done the treatment, when you have let it set in for a good 20 minutes to an hour. You also want to go in after you wash it out and use some deep conditioner. wanted to show you guys what my hair is looking like after it's all complete and my hair is saturated in the bentonite clay. You want to make sure that it gets all of your hair, especially like your roots and your ends and just the rest of your hair as well. Just want to make sure your hair is fully covered in this stuff. I don't know about y'all, but I think I look cute with gray hair. So I forgot to mention earlier in the video that you guys definitely want to change your shirt. Make sure that you're wearing like a black shirt or some shirt that you don't mind getting dirty, because this stuff definitely can get messy. So what I'm doing right now is just wrapping my hair up, and you guys can go in and put a plastic cap over your head to let all the moisture set in. So I'm going to let this sit in for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. So yesterday I did the bentonite clay treatment on my hair, and as you guys saw from the previous clips that my hair was looking pretty crazy. So this is the results after everything is completed. So after I did the bentonite clay treatment, I went into the shower and I washed it all out, and then I went in with this Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. So I did that and I let my hair air dry. I was gonna finish filming last night, but I was too tired, so I didn't do it. So last night I just slept with my hair in my microfiber towel just so it can soak all the moisture in. So then I woke up this morning and this is what it's looking like. So you guys can see that my curls are much more defined. It's a little bit frizzy, just a tiny bit, but my hair is high porosity, so that is the reason for that. But yeah, you guys can see that my hair is literally completely dry and my curls are much more defined today. Now, I could go out looking just like this, but I probably won't because I am going out to breakfast with my family, so I won't be doing that. So I am going to style it, but I just wanted to show you guys what my hair was looking like after I did the bentonite clay treatment with literally 0 products in my hair at all the next day. And I'm surprised it came out this defined after sleeping with my hair in my microfiber towel. I'm surprised it didn't come out more like crinkled, but yeah, I mean, they look really, really good. So yeah, these are the results. So if you want to revive your curls, use some bentonite clay treatment and it is a miracle. So yeah, I'm excited to style my hair and see what it looks like after. I actually haven't used this treatment since March of last year. I was going back in my Snapchat camera roll to see when I last used it, and my last time I used it was March 2018. So yeah, it's been a while since I used this, but I'm gonna try to do this at least once a month or maybe twice a month to bring back my curls, because sometimes it loses its pattern over, you know, the multiple times that you wash, all those things. So you just want to do that treatment just, I don't know, every once in a while just to bring your curls back. So I'm going to try to do it at least once a month or twice a month. So yeah, that is all. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button down below, and turn on the post notification bells for whenever I upload a new video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.